So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy TD Bank stock or Toronto Dominion Bank stock here on Moomoo. Once you open up Moomoo, go to the top right, press on the magnifying glass. At the top search bar, type in ticker symbol TD. Now TD, the Toronto Dominion Bank, is of course traded in US dollars and Canadian dollars, so whatever currency you want to trade in, select the appropriate one. So for this example, I will go ahead and press on the Canadian version. Once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can adjust the session type you want to buy this in, as well as the order type. There's limit and there's market. The price tag is right there. And for the quantity, if you were to type in, for example, 2 shares, the amount of how much it would cost would be below. And if you like that and you want to proceed, press on buy and go through the transaction that way. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy TD Bank stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.